Item SCP-241. Object Class Safe. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-241 is to be kept at Site-19 using standard operating procedures for containing safe class book and manuscript type SCPs. See Document 241-053-H, with the following additional conditions. SCP-241 must be kept open on a flat surface, with restraints across opposing pages of the open book to keep it from closing accidentally. Containment devices must be checked at least once a week for structural integrity. Any anomalies must be reported immediately to Site Command. Access to SCP-241 is restricted. Any and all usage of SCP-241 must be logged. SCP-241 must be transported in an authorized book stand such that it cannot accidentally be closed in transit. In the event that SCP-241 is opened outside of a testing environment, the last person to have touched it must report to the nearest infirmary, and a D-Class personnel must close and reopen SCP-241. Description: SCP-241 appears as a normal book, 33 cm x 23 cm x 3.5 cm. Entitled Good Home Cooking. The cover of SCP-241 is a red and white checkerboard pattern, with the title in simple black letters on the front and spine. When open, SCP-241 contains 99 recipes, sorted into typical sections of a cookbook. Many of these recipes include a picture of the dish that is invariably appetizing, and a small percentage will call for rare or exotic ingredients. Whenever SCP-241 is opened by a subject, known as the target different from the one who last opened it, that is the previous target, the recipes contained in the book change. Preliminary investigations concluded that if the target eats a dish prepared from one of the recipes in SCP-241, the person soon dies from apparent anaphylactic shock. Others who eat the same dish are not similarly affected. Testing has been authorized to determine the exact nature of SCP-241's effects. SCP-241 appears to be impervious to getting dirty and to at least minor damage. For example, sources splashed onto its pages disappear almost immediately, and torn pages and nicks on the cover are repaired within seconds. Testing on the limits of SCP-241's durability are not authorized without approval from Data Expunged and Data Expunged. Research on SCP-241 continues, including potential interaction with other SCP items. For more information on current experimentation, please see the supplemental testing log.